All right, you guys, let's talk about removing that baby from that latch pain-free. Because y'all already know, if you're watching this video, sorry, then you've probably experienced some painful latches and you don't need to go through that. So this is just a little quick tip that you can use, that I use, and I've been using this tip forever. I have a 3-year-old that I'm still breastfeeding, and I still use it with her because when she falls asleep on my breast and I gotta get her off, sometimes she, in her sleep, wants to stay on and tries to grab onto that nipple, and it can be so painful, right? And there's been times where I forget to do this and I suffer the consequences, and I'm like, okay, Vanessa, use that pinky finger. So yes, we're going to use our pinky finger to put into our baby's mouth to avoid the painful, delatching of, the baby from the breast. So when you're ready to take your baby off your breast, you're going to take your pinky finger and you're going to insert your pinky finger into the corner of your baby's mouth like this. And then once you do that and you start to slowly remove your baby from your nipple, you're going to take that pinky finger and kind of just wedge it in between, gently wedge it in between your baby's top gums and lower gums. So it becomes kind of like just like this like spacer that they cannot pass. They can't, munch down on your nipple and cause all this pain because this pinky finger is in the way from them doing that. So that's all you have to do. Stick your pinky finger into the corner of their mouth as you start to remove your baby, or right before you start to remove the baby. You're going to just pry that little pinky finger in between their upper gums and lower gums in the corner of their mouth, and then you start to pull the baby off gently. And then if they do try to chop down, they'll have this pinky finger in the way, and it won't hurt them because it's just your pinky finger, right? Obviously, if you have like sharp nails or anything like that, you don't want to do that because it could cut them. So definitely want to make sure your nails are smooth, no sharp edges, so that way you don't have any issues with hurting baby either. But normally, you're going to do this gently and, slowly, so that way no one gets hurt. And you won't have that pain from removing the baby from the latch. So definitely try this out. Let me know if this helps. Thanks for watching. If this helped you guys out, please like and subscribe the video. I appreciate it. All right, see y'all next time. Bye.